Hi friends, my name is Azim. I'm from Nurture Tech Academy. Today's lesson is how we can filter more than one product in a same column. Okay, what I'm talking about is that if I filtered any one of product, it's very easy for me. Type home and hit enter. You can get the same data, right? But I need to filter more than one product like home, accessories, kids and men's. It is very easy for me to click here, but if I have a huge data and the list is going down and down and down, and it's very difficult process for me to go down and search and then select, right? So if one product I need to filter, then it's very easy. You just go here and just type their name. It's very easy, right? But I want to filter more than one product. Okay, so just click here like accessories. I need to filter accessory as well. So once you write down product name, you just click on this option. So this option is called, it's add current selection to filter, then click on OK. Yes, not only home but need more product. You just type their name like mains, add them and click on that. Okay, so it's very easy process. You can filter data in a very easy manner. Okay, you can see there are so many products in this particular column. They are coming on repetitively. Okay, but I need to extract the actual product only. I want products, unique products from here, right? If I will copy this product and wanted to paste here, but only a unique product. Okay, so maybe you will suggest remove duplicate and all, but I'm going to share one magical trick for you that you can get a unique product with the use of filter option. Okay, so how we can do this? You just go to data tab. There is an option is called advanced filter. Okay, so this magic can be happened with this option. It's called a advanced filter. Open it. Once you click, you will get a window like action filter in the list. If you will use this option, data will be filtered on the actual table. Okay, but if you want to get result somewhere else on your sheet, yeah, somewhere else on a different sheet, then you must click on this option, right? We want a unique list of categories. Okay, so first option, list range. In list range you will have to select the column in which you will extract the unique product. Okay, now in criteria range, yes, there will be no criteria, right? There will be no criteria. Now copy to means where you want to paste this result. Okay, so in copy to, it means Excel just asking to you that where would you like to paste this unique record. I'm just clicking here. It's called K2, and yes, this is the option. It's called unique records only. You must click here. Okay, now click on OK. Yep. Okay, so only unique records have been pasted here, right? Okay friends, so one more tips and tricks for today, that if I need to filter data, we have more than one criteria. You already know that you can apply a filter, like you can select grocery and their sale price more than any condition you can apply, but you can see that all the data has filtered on a same table, right? Once you copied and pasted anywhere else, sometimes you get weird data. Okay, so yes, there is an option in Excel, extract data without filtered on main table. Yes, so for example, I want to I'm just creating a criteria like I need a product of home tab. Okay, and total units that should be more than 190. Okay, so I have given two conditions here, and how will you filter this data? You just go to option on advanced. Yes, in this there will be no range. I need a whole table, right? So in list range you have to select the whole table like this. Now in criteria, that is very important point. Criteria, in criteria you must select, and now again it's asking for where would like to see the actual data. Now just click on OK. See, the category is only home tab and the unit price is more than 180. Isn't it cool? If I have given some more category, for example omens. Now see, in advance, copy to another location. Yes, select the whole table. Criteria, yes, my criteria has been extended, so I will select from this to this. Now again, yes, copy to the place where you would like to see the result, then click on OK. So you can see, some products which having total units is what Excel understand about this criteria. Understand that you are asking for product which belongs from home category, but there should be quantity should be greater than 190, but you need all of women's, but you're not given any condition. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and happy learning.